Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm back with another tutorial on how to buy the Bake token or even swap it. So all you need first is to have a wallet. If you don't have a wallet, you'll simply know how to have a wallet, or especially MetaMask wallet, down below in our channel, because in this video we're gonna use the MetaMask wallet. So let's say you already have the MetaMask wallet. All you need to do is to come here to coinmarketcap.com. When you're gonna go to this website, this is gonna appear to you. You all need to do is go here to the search, then type BAKE, then press here as bakery token. So here you find the address of this token. All you have to do is just simply press here at copy the address. This icon will copy the address of bakery token, and then all you need to do is to pass it here at the Pancakeswap website. So we're just gonna go here to trade section, hover it, then go to swap, press here swap. Then you'll find this by default. First of all, you need to connect your wallet. Just press connect wallet, then go here to MetaMask, and it's gonna connect automatically. Because I already connected to this website before, they didn't ask me about anything, but for you they will ask you just to press next and then connect. It's super easy, you don't need anything. So let's say you already connected your wallet, then all you have to do is just click here at cake, then paste the address that you copied, and then press import, then I understand this, then import. After you do that, you just enter the amount of BNB that you want to transfer into your new token. So let's say, for example, I want 1 BNB to be swapped at Bake token. So that's it. 1 BNB will give you 457 Bake token. Then you're gonna press swap, and that's it. You will be done. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you enjoy it, put a like down there and comment, and do not forget to subscribe.